Hi, I'm Simon. Today we want to introduce you to a new innovative product for the next generation of safe infrastructure, UEW6DHG. A disconnector is one of the most important parts within the electrical infrastructure. It is the bodyguard for your system and your engineers during maintenance and other critical events. Safe disconnection and isolation is one of the most critical features to enable safe operation of equipment and protection of personnel. Especially in high-power DC applications, such as storage or PV, reliable and safe disconnection is crucial for the longevity of the application. Therefore, Hongfa has decided to design the UEW6DHG. Hongfa stays true to innovation and therefore developed a true two-pole design to combine two things: technical benefits and sustainable operation. Temperature rise caused by internal resistance is one of the major parameters to consider in switchgear and application design. High power loss and therefore high temperature rise will cause premature aging of components such as insulation material and therefore increase the risk of electrical faults during the lifetime of the application. Not only that, but lower temperature rise means smaller enclosures and less planning effort, therefore reduced total cost of ownership and increase in operational safety. If we now compare the traditional 4-pole design to the innovative 2-pole design from Hongfa, it is clear that less voltage drop is created internally due to reduced poles and highly specific contact material. This enables that there is no current derating needed up to 55 degrees Celsius. With innovative contact design, Hongfa has achieved world-class braking and withstand currents even in single-pole critical fault tests. Safety and reliability have been the key design goals for UEW6DHG. Hongfa stays true to innovation and kept application needs in mind when this product has been developed. 1/3 of the volume has been saved, enabling easier design and reduced total cost of application when the UEW6DHG is used. With the modular design, the switch can be customized to customer needs and maintenance of the components has been made significantly easier than ever before, thus creating a benefit during all aspects of application and use of Hongfa's UEW6DHG. Winning through quality is the motivation and goal from Hongfa, and this can be seen in every aspect of this product. Our goal is to provide customers with best-in-class solution through innovative design and world-class quality. The UEW6DHG has been supplied into a wide range of application and critical infrastructure worldwide, due to the benefits and quality this switch offers to the customers. Now is your chance to follow the pull from the market to rely on Hongfa's product portfolio for DC power application. This is all for today, but we will see us soon when Hongfa presents the next innovation in switchgear design.